In this video, we will learn how to remove section breaks in Microsoft Word. Section breaks are commonly used to divide and format documents effectively. For example, you can separate sections into chapters or apply different formatting such as columns, headers, footers, or page borders. Removing section breaks can sometimes be tricky because each section may have unique margins, headers, footers, or page orientations. Deleting a section break could potentially change these settings. To delete section breaks, you'll first need to make them visible. Navigate to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, click on the Show/Hide option to display formatting marks. You'll see the section breaks marked clearly, typically stating section break, followed by the type of break in parentheses. To delete a section break, place your cursor just before the section break and press Delete, or drag to select it. Then press Backspace or Delete. Remember, when you remove a section break, Word combines the text before and after the break into one section, adopting the formatting of the section that follows the break. If you encounter difficulty removing a section break, navigate to the View tab. In the Views group, select Draft View. Select the section break by dragging over it and press Delete. Return to Print Layout by clicking the View tab again and selecting Print Layout. To remove multiple or all section breaks quickly, navigate to the Home tab. In the Editing group, click Replace or press Ctrl+H. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click More to expand options. Click in the Find What box. Click the Special button and select Section Break. You'll see To the Power of B appear. Ensure the Replace With box is empty by pressing Delete. Click Find Next, then Replace, repeating this process, or click Replace All to remove all section breaks at once. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. New to our channel? Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.